This video demonstrates how to install and use the Joomla module Cart Select. In order to use the module, of course, you have to have Joomla installed. This is the front side. Here's the back side. You also have to have CARTwebERP installed because the Cart Select module will display items in the CARTwebERP shopping cart. You also, as a prerequisite, must have webERP installed. In webERP, we have the ability to put in inventory categories, and each category can have its own properties information that we collect. For instance, in this example, we're trying to sell tires, and we created a category code for inventory called car, which is for our passenger car tires, and we put in our GL information for when postings are made for selling, buying tires. And if we click edit, you'll notice that there's also other properties that we've entered for tires. For instance, position, which would be front or back, width, profile, rim size, speed, and manufacturer. In our example, the criteria that we're going to use to select tires is going to be width, profile, rim size, and speed. After you've entered these properties for this particular category, when you view a part in that category, click items and then modify item details, then you'll see down at the bottom that those properties are now input fields for you to use to enter data. And we've pre-populated our inventory with these properties for this demonstration. Next, we install Cart Select by going to the Extensions Manager. We browse to find the zip install program. And it's called Mod Site Cart Select. Upload and install, and then under Extensions Manager we go to Module Manager and create new, Cart Select. We're going to use the British spelling for tire. We're going to show the title, and we're going to put it in position 2. About position 2. And next we need to fill in the categories that we're going to include in the Cart Select module. And in order to find those, the best way is to go to phpMyAdmin and display the file stock.cat properties, and you'll see that we have all 6 of the properties for the category car. We're actually going to use 2, 3, 4, and 5. If you don't have phpMyAdmin, another way for you to access the data is to look it up in the source code for this page right here. So you view source code, and then we're going to put in rim size to search, and it finds it. And now we can see that all of our properties are here. Width, profile, rim size, and speed. And there are our category values 2, 3, 4, and 5. Either way that you come about it, through phpMyAdmin or through viewing the page source, you get the categories to include here, which was 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now we save and close. Now let's go to our module manager. And let's be sure that our status is published. And now let's do a demo. Okay, you can see the selection criteria that we've chosen posted here. So the first thing that we do is select a width. Let's go with 225. And that gives us a selection of all the tires that have the width of 225, and then it goes out and finds all the available profiles for that width. Let's choose 55. Now it goes out and chooses all the rim sizes for the width 225 and profile 55, and choose the rim size. And now it goes and finds the speed selections that have all those three criteria, and we choose that. After choosing the fourth criteria, then the catalog is displayed with the tires that meet that criteria. Also, if you would like to use bread trails to display the criteria that you've used to select, here you can see the last item that we selected, 225, 55, 17W. This would help your customers get back to other selections they had previously made and maybe not purchased but want to go back. And the way that you do that is in the module, you install the module bread trails. And for the bread trails, you put in option value 1, option value 2, and option value 3, and that picks up the 4 options that we're using in Cart Select in order to select our catalog. I hope you enjoy Cart Select. I hope it works out for you. If you need custom programming, please give me a call at 214-415-1725. You can visit my website at joomlamo.com, JOOMLAMO.com. Thank you.